Hello everyone, in today's video we will continue in wireless communication series using the famous module NRF24 with Arduino. But before we start, let me give you a quick introduction about today's project. I will use PIR sensor or motion sensor with wireless module to make wireless motion detector that you can make up to 6 of them as a transmitter with one receiver, so you can install these sensors in different places in your home to be part of your security system, or saving some energy by installing it in your stairs to make the light work if only there is someone around it, and many other projects that you can make. For receiver part, it's related to you. You can show the result as a light using LED or sound using buzzer, or in my case, I used LCD to show if there is any motion detected. The sensor I will use have a detectable area for 110 degree with adjustable range from 3 to 7 meters and time delay between 3 seconds to 5 minutes. In future video, I will make a project using this sensor without Arduino. So if you are interested, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Let's back to our project. Add some cable for components. It's done. Now we have the transmitter. Oh, I forgot to connect the sensor. Connect the digital pin for pin number 8. Now building receiving part, breadboard with Arduino of course, LCD display, edition adapter, and the king today, NRF module. Connect the LCD, but from where do I bring this adapter? Maybe you're asking yourself after seeing this part of art. But behind it, there's pain part. Soldering small component in small area without suitable tools, it's totally suffering. You can spend like an hour or two for each of these. All of this because the genius who designed this module decided to make the output pin of the module not suitable for breadboard. After some suffering, connect the adapter and the module. Now we are ready to test it and check if it's work properly or not. As you can see, the sensor do its job, able to detect me with a detectable range of 110 degree, trying from different direction. Great. Back into our video, let me describe the programming code. First, I will start with the transmitter. As usually, we start by defining the library that we will use. Then, connecting pins, define the address for my wireless module, and here, defining the motion sensor. And setup part, I will start serial monitor, radio wave, and set the range of communication. Finally, define the motion sensor as an input. Last but not least, loop part. As you can see, I am using if statement. If the input of motion sensor equal 1, that means high, send the information for receiving module, and in our case it's defined as a text, and the delay between each signal is 500 milliseconds. For your information, you can adjust the delay in two ways. First one in the programming code, second one by adjusting the potentiometer. As you can see, also you can adjust the detected range of the module, moving in clockwise direction to increase the time delay, and moving in the opposite direction anti-clockwise to decrease the time delay. And you can adjust sensor detected range clockwise to decrease the sensitivity. It will be approximately 3 meters, and anti-clockwise to increase sensitivity up to 7 meters. Moving to next part, receiver code. As usually, first define the library, then the connection pin, and after that the address. Also, don't forget to define the power level for the radio, depending on your range as a minimum or maximum. The most important part of any Arduino code, loop part. Starting with if statement to start up the system if there is any income data. Then define storage for my income information, or in our case it's text. And as always, make size of information depending on the information itself, and then print the incoming information, or in my case if there is any motion detected with 1 second delay for each alarm. Of course you can adjust the delay according to your wishes. I hope you understand it clearly, and if you have any question you can write it in the comment below. And now let me say thank you for watching and be ready for next video.